Before the rise of the Nazis, Jewish life in Europe was vibrant and diverse, despite anti-Semitism. Jews worked, actively participated in their communities by creating civic organizations, and planned for their futures. Ginda Kaluna Rosenblatt, a graduate of an esteemed women's university in Kiev, was a doctor in the Russian...